Today's problem is the license plate lights stopped working, and at the same time the illumination for the instrument cluster stopped working. So there's a short circuit here, and what I eventually found is that this brown tab touches metal there. Now if you don't have one of these great work lights, you might not have seen that, and if you happened to repair this in there, let me get a light for you. You can use bullet connectors. They'll fit right on there. So if this has ever been repaired, just check that the yellow wire is on the bottom, because what can happen is that if you plug it up wrong in there, your LED bulbs will still work for a long time, but you'll have a sneaky parasitic drain. See that little corrosion there? That's a squeak I found. Gosh, that's been driving me crazy for a long time. So yeah, it won't pop the fuse for a long time, and it'll still work, but you'll have a parasitic drain, making your system voltage lower, and eventually one day your instrument cluster will go dark and your license plate bulbs will go dark. So there's how to fix it. Make sure brown is ground, yellow is hot.